Hi everyone. So one of the questions that we often get asked is what we mean when we talk about our installation gaps, or the IG, in relation to our connectors and spigots. So the IG, or installation gap, is the gap between the spigot faces when you're installing your spigots. And one of the big advantages of a BFM system is that when you use the correct IG and connector, you're always going to get the perfect install. So along those lines, we developed the BFM calculator. We'll leave a link for that below. So what the BFM calculator does is it takes into account the offset vertically of your spigots, the horizontal offset, as well as the movement that you have in your equipment to suggest what the perfect installation gap is going to be between the faces of the spigots. The reason for that is there's a few installation don'ts that we can have. So one of those is to have the spigots too far apart. This causes a couple of issues. One of them being that you can't install your connectors because they're too far apart, they're too tight, you can't stretch them into place. The other is that if you might have an offset, you might have one side that's very taut and very, very tight. And so if there's any kind of movement or vibration in that, it can cause a lot of excess wear on that one stressed side of the connector. Similarly, if you have the installation gap too short, you can have areas that bunch up. And what that means is that you might have product that collects in those bunched areas, and that can cause excess wear as well if there's any kind of movement where those parts kind of rub on each other. So what we recommend is use the BFM calculator, put in all the details of your installation. It's going to give you a recommendation, and install your connectors just like that, and you'll get the perfect fit every time. Thanks for watching everyone. And if you have any further technical questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.